Proliance Surgeons Foundation is proving that healthcare goes beyond what happens at the doctor's office. And here to share more are Proliance Surgeons Foundation board members, Dr. Mary Kate Thayer and Dr. Greg Davis. Thank you to you both for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
So, what are your specialties and the roles that you play at Proliance Surgeons Foundation? And Dr. Davis, we'll start with you.
Yeah, thanks also for having us.
Yes.
I'm a ear, nose, and throat surgeon, or also a rhinologist, a sinus subspecialist, and I take care of nose and sinus issues. My practice is down in Puyallup, Washington. Currently, I am the Proliance Surgeon Foundation president, and kind of helped steer this foundation from its beginning.
Wow, you are busy. I feel like I need to add some more things on my list. Let's get over to you, Dr. Thayer. Tell us about your role and specialty.
Yeah, I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm with Proliance Orthopedics and Sports Medicine on the east side, and I specialize in hand, wrist, and elbow surgery.
Wow, amazing. Thank you both for being here today because you both are so busy. For those who may know Proliance Surgeons but not the full scope of the organization, can you give us an overview?
Yeah, Proliance Surgeons is one of the largest physician-led surgical practices in the country. We have over 400 providers, over 150 board-certified surgeons, and over 90 locations across the state of Washington. We cover surgical subspecialties such as orthopedics, ENT, plastic surgery, and general surgery.
Oh my gosh, so a one-stop shop for
Yes.
a lot of people there. Tell us about the Proliance Surgeons Foundation and your mission.
Yeah, we started this about 3 years ago, and as physicians and surgeons, we have this amazing relationship with our patients that we get to take care of over months and years. And we found that there are many factors that impact their healing from surgery and their medical care. And so we wanted to come up with this organization to give back to our community. So it's a 100% volunteer organization led by physicians and some of our administrative staff members.
Wow, and how does that translate to the work that the foundation does, Dr. Thayer?
Yeah, we have 4 key areas of focus. Those include workforce development, which means that we help inspire and train the next generation of healthcare professionals. We have community engagement, where our physicians volunteer for organizations in their local communities. We have the social determinants of health, which is a healthcare term for factors that impact your health, such as access to transportation, education, housing, and food. And so we partner with local organizations to try to impact those factors and fill those needs before they become healthcare problems. And lastly, we try to address health equity, which means trying to ensure that everybody has access to quality healthcare no matter where they live or what their circumstances may be.
Oh my gosh. We talked right before the segment that you both grew up in the area. And so how does it feel to, be giving back in this way and serving your community?
Yeah, it's a privilege to take care of our patients, but it's also a privilege to do this work and really give back to the larger community as a whole. We meet individuals every day, but this really allows us to make a bigger impact.
Yeah, so this is the fun part. This is where we get to raise funds. In the last 3 years, we've raised over $300,000 that we've been able to give back to our community. And we've done that through physician donations, staff member donations, corporate sponsors, so companies that help supply our surgery centers, our clinics. And we've also had some fun fundraising activities over the years. Recently, as a relatively small organization, we're able to meet and make some quick decisions. And with these horrible wildfires happening in Spokane Valley right now, we were able to find a organization over there that supports the emergency care of those people. And even though that's well outside Proliance Surgeons' kind of patient captured area, we all have friends and family over there. And just being able to give back to them is a good time right now.
Definitely. The work you guys do is very important, and I'm sure people are watching and wondering how they can get involved, so if you wouldn't mind sharing that.
Yeah, you can go to our website. It's proliancesurgeons.com/foundation. And there's a nice link that shows what we've done in the past and what we're planning to do in the future.
Amazing. Thank you both for your guys' time today. We really appreciate it. Is there any last thought you guys want people to know about the work you do in the foundation?
Well, I think we're more than just physicians and surgeons. We care about our patients. We care about our communities. If there are organizations out there that think they need our support, we're happy to chat with them as well.
Amazing. Thank you both for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And for more information about Proliance Surgeons Foundation, just visit the website that you see right there on your screen. And New Day Northwest is sponsored by Proliance Surgeons.